I'm going by. Cut off.
But they're like funny Fs.
Yeah.
They're like Fender Fs. Ready?
Yeah, they're like 7s. Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Yay! All right.
So, one benefit I've found to goggles in a spot like this, or in a, is your ears get a break from the glasses.
Oh yeah. And the dust. Sometimes it's a little easier to take. A little easier to take. I'm gonna earn that sleep tonight.
I was talking to Jordan, she's like, so, how'd you sleep? I was like, well, there are a lot of noises at night. And she's like, yeah, I was a little worried about it for you. I was like, yeah, it was pretty freaky. And then she's like, maybe you should have brought earplugs. And I was like, yeah, I was thinking that, you know, halfway through the night, actually.
I'm in the wrong mode.
Do you want to stop and switch it? Or do
No,
you need to
I
stop?
can switch it.
Okay.
I just gotta get there. I gotta move my thumb because now the throttle lock blocks it.
Oh.
So I gotta actually jump over with my thumb to get it. Yeah, automatic doesn't work up here because it just wants to bog down on you.
Yeah. We have already caught that truck.
Really?
Yeah, I just saw his tailgate.
Oh.
He's gonna let us by. He saw us.
That's really nice. He's got a dirt bike tire in the back. Wonder if he's helping somebody out.
Yeah, maybe. So different having the GoPro mounted
Up top?
on top than it is on the chin. I like the way that the camera, that the, you know, the shot looks better on the chin. At least on a dirt bike. On these bikes, it's not bad, but if you got too much going in your cockpit, you can't see the road.
Yeah.
And then it's like, okay, well, that's lame.
Well, and that's the other thing for me is that thing catches the brace.
Well, yeah, that
and,
too, but...
Yeah.
But, yeah, I like the way it feels on the head. Just very light. Although on the dirt bike, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it catches a lot of air on the dirt bike.
Wow.
When it's on your head.
You're going a lot faster. Although, I don't even notice it when we're going down the road.
Maybe I'm crazy.
That could be.
Maybe
I might be just a lunatic you're looking for. Is that kind of crazy?
Maybe. I was thinking more like Gnarls Barkley crazy, you know?
That guy's nuts. It's funny though.
No. Gnarls Barkley.
Oh.
CeeLo. Yeah. That, you know, you think I'm crazy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah, that little meadow is really nice. You cut out when you were talking about that, so I wasn't really sure.
Oh. Now you are?
Oh, you were getting that. Now I am. Yep.
Man, I wish I didn't have this cramp in my back. That's what I went for the chiropractor for.
So the thing is, with the chiropractor, is you go and you say, hey, something is way out of whack. And, and obviously by the time you've gone to you're going to the chiropractor, it's been out of whack
for a bit.
For a while, because you're like, well, maybe it'll fix itself. So then you fix it, the bone part, but the muscles have now adjusted to...
They just pull it right back in. Yeah, and that's exactly. And then last night it just cramped up, and was like I thought I had lockjaw. Just pulled me back. It's like I moved from my side to my other side, and it was like oh.
Squigglies. That's what that sign said.
It says what? Squigglies?
Yeah. Back there?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh, almost hit that branch. I did actually.
Yeah.
I felt it go tick.
Took off the end.
I'm trying to ride right.
Oh, slow down. Like, do it. Step. Or at least very. There's more in there too.
There you go.
I didn't realize this was still. I guess the cattle guard should have been my first clue.
All of it seems to be open range.
I saw some black moving in the freaking bushes. Like, what the hell is that? At least they're black though, they're not brown like deer.
You'd never see it at night though.
No. Lucky for us, it's the middle of the day.
Right? Another example of why we need to have our heightened awareness.
Oh, look at all of them. That one's got a white face. Looks like it's a skull. It's so funny. They just sit there, watch you go by.
They're like, what the? Where'd you come from?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, I can hear it just a little bit. Steep hill. Alright, slow down. Cattle.
More cattle. Lookout number 1 we've got a standoff on the road.
Alright, nice.
Yeah!
Like,
Get it! Get it!
like
Yeah!
you need to tell us what.
Yeah! We got it! Woohoo! Don't go down the cliff.
No, don't do that. Go left.
Go left. There you go.
Left.
Get in there. No. Get in there.
No.
You're good. Nope. Where are you going? Oh yeah! I'm a bucking bird. No, I'm not. Oh, now they're. That's a cow. Come on. You were going this way anyway. Oh. Just move over to
Get off the road.
Yeah, just move over to the side. Oh. Alright, I'm going by. There we go. Everybody relax.
I feel bad for that one. Ran so much further than he needed to.
I see other dirt bike tracks.
Yes. I saw them too.
It's not ours, is it? We didn't do a loop?
No, it's not. It's so weird. This tire doesn't make any noise when you slide it in the back. Like on the brakes. It's just silent.
Oh. Like skidding, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know why anybody would turn the ABS off on the front. Why would you want that?
I don't know either.
I mean,
More tracks.
those are full knobbies there, it looks like. Recent.
Lots of butterflies out here.
Yeah. Ah, one less. Just went in my helmet. Still in there, flopping around.
Yeah, pretty much. Right around there. We're halfway done with the track. Track is 66 miles.
Oh.
So, yeah. You know, if I was reading that map correctly, which I think I was. So
We'll find out. A lot of trees knocked down, huh?
yep.
Ooh,
Yeah, don't catch that.
either one of them.
That rock either.
And one will tear your eye out.
Looks like we're gonna have a sharp right turn here coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, careful on that. It's a big tube uncovered. Does that count as a water crossing?
Maybe. It had its challenge, didn't it? All those big
Yeah.
rocks and the tube and
Yeah, there's another one too.
yeah. Oh, something hit underneath my peg.
God, rock probably bounced up. Caught in the tire.
Ooh, another log.
Oh. Stay to the left, around the left-hand corner.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh no, we're not gonna take a right-hand turn. Thought we were, but we're not.
Going straight?
We're going straight.
Really?
Yep.
Mine says right.
Now, there's a road, there's a big black road on the right, but the purple is straight.
Oh, I'm off my grid.
Ooh. That
Sand?
looks like it could be challenging. No, big rocks and holes. Just stay to the right, you should be fine.
Oh,
Oh, big rock.
did you hear that?
I did.
Yeah.
Reason number one why the stock skid plate is not amazing.
Right. My GPS is all off.
Oh,
I can't see where I'm at.
I noticed that this one will kind of get wonky
Yeah.
sometimes, and then you just have to turn it off and kind of restart it, and then it catches up. Like, I don't know, maybe the satellite goes behind a cloud or something.
Behind a star. Satellite,
Yeah.
satellite collision.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Oh, no. Got in the mud.
Okay, on this one, you're going to want to stay to the outside.
Okay. On the corner?
On the corner, yeah. Stay on the outside. You'll see why.
Oh, yeah. I got my foot out. Do some motocrossing. This trail's a little treacherous. We are leaving the National Forest. I'm trusting we're on the trail.
We are.
Okay. Because I can't see it. I don't know how to get back on this one. More cattle gate.
Jeez, I thought you were just getting to that one. I was like, no way, he's that far.
No.
It's like, jeez. How are we even still talking?
We're not. Do you think we're ever going to make it to the bottom?
I don't know, we do keep dropping, but
Yeah.
it seems like there's still kind of a ways to go.
Yeah. Agreed. I like how they deposit those pine cones on every corner.
Just saw some grasshoppers
Yeah.
jumping across the road. Yeah,
How's your fuel?
I'm so full.
Yeah, I'm down one. Who put all those rocks there?
Now it's sand.
Oh, jeez. So that section up there must have been worse. You know? Hey,
Hey,
hey! I'm surprised he didn't do a wheelie out of that. wish I had a little bit more knobby front tire.
Yeah, it just doesn't grab on, you know?
No. I mean, it's okay, but I can't do anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, if the front end were lighter, maybe. Whew. Man, the whole bike swapped on that.
Jeez.
Just started zigzagging all over the place.
Huh.
I don't like that.
Oh, jeez, man.
What's that?
Oops.
Yeah, I know, I just got, holy crap. Ah, I found out where this back tire skids. Right back there. Watch out for the cow patty.
I know, I can smell it everywhere, which means obviously there's probably some around here too.
Okay, what we're looking for is a place to get a couple of ice cold beers first, and then lodging.
Okay.
I would go to the left. That's what it says. The flag is to the left.
Yeah, the roundabout is not built into the GPS. But
No. Somewhere there is
continue on this road.
there is a geocache on the trail,
Yeah?
but I don't know where. I don't remember where. So there's the big fancy hotel right there.
The brown one?
Yeah. Well, it was
Kinda ugly.
100 years ago.
Oh, okay. I was like, still? Or?
It says, my temp only says 77.
Let me see what mine says. 84.
Yeah, I wonder if I'm caked up with dirt or...
Yeah, but my clock is, my clock is 15 minutes faster than yours too.
Mine says 332.
Okay, mine says 339, so maybe not 15 minutes.
This is it.
Yeah. I could be wrong, but I feel like this looks more promising.
Yeah, I think you're right. There's an ice cream place.
This seems like the kind of town where you get a parking ticket for parking like 5 minutes too long.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll just walk. That's fine.
This looks like the main drag. Hello? Hangar 138. What was your favorite part of today?
Like,
Riding.
yeah, what were we, like 10 miles in, right? 10 miles in through the meadow.
Yeah.
And
That was pretty cool. The cows.
The cows. I did like the cows, actually. They were very cute.
So, I don't know if it was proper protocol to... That was interesting. They were highly excited. We came across several cows over yesterday and today. Some were pretty docile. Some were on the side of the road just chilling. The ones we saw this morning, remember, with the white face.
Yep.
They didn't even move.
Nope. No,
But this last
that
group,
one.
the last group.
Yeah,
what were they
excited.
like?
No, that was right before the one with the white face.
Right. Oh, was it?
Yeah.
When they were running.
When it was running and we were.
Moo!
Yeah.
And bucking and
hollering,
kicking their legs up, and we're like, yeah. And they started running, and it was fun to watch because a couple of them were a little upset.
I think
And then
so.
we just went by them.
I think that big one at the end was really upset.
Yeah. And then there was a dog.
The dog.
That ran for a mile.
Horrible for. I wish he'd just let us go by.
Yeah, and then he turned off and went down another road anyways. But, yeah. No deer today, right? Did we? Oh, we did in the field when we were on the highway.
Yep.
On the one road, we saw that one, a stag, just out there by himself.
Mm-hmm. That was it. I'll take that.
Yeah. So we didn't have anybody jump out in front of us today. So I don't know. For me, I think the biggest challenges were the downhill sections later in the day that were rocky with rain ruts.
What about that first downhill? The big rocks? Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
The one where I was like, oh crap, I think it got a little bit too much speed. You're like, what?
Oh yeah. And then I was like, I went through that one not too bad, I think. I
was doing 35.
Yeah.
Or so.
Yeah. Well, I heard you get excited, so I slowed down a little bit. You don't want to go too slow through them, that's for sure.
No.
Because you go too slow and then your front tire is going to get... But there's a couple of times where the front tire is just like jerked right out of your hand. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, and then it was hot today at the end. It was really hot. We were both kind of cranky, ready to be done, kind of just picking at each other. And yeah, so it was good to be done. Good to be chilling. It's starting to cool off pretty quick now. You feel it?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a couple of beer and we're gonna have a fire and we're gonna relax and then go to bed. So tomorrow.